DriverCare from CEI saves customers a whole lot of money when it comes to collision avoidance.
At CEI, we say that we're driven to care, which is a nice play off of our DriverCare product that's been servicing the fleet industry for well over 10 years. And we're very proud of this product. It saves customers tons of money in terms of collision avoidance. One collision accident could cost upwards of $25,000 according to NHTSA. And so for every collision you avoid, that's significant money back to the customer's bottom line, not just from a fleet expense, but from liability and other risk associated and insurance costs that the customers incur on a regular basis. The reason why CEI combines collision and fleet safety in all of our messaging is because both of these services are very personal to the driver, and managing both ends, the prevention end and the remediation end, we feel gives CEI and our customers a significant advantage for controlling the entire outcome. When we have certain training that we can put in place or other initiatives with a customer to try to reduce collision rates, we can monitor in real time, are those collision rates actually going down through our collision services product. It just gives us a fast response time, the ability to pivot quickly on the strategy we employ with our customers, and ultimately we feel it's largely responsible for the significant results we're able to deliver for customers.